Welcome back to G Mercedes in Cedar City, Utah with this 250 GD 2.5 liter 5-cylinder. It's a 1992, extremely low mileage, perfectly maintained, of course rust free. Gorgeous condition, original. We did not repaint this vehicle. Perfect top, perfect windows, the 4 single seats, wooden floor, wooden cargo floor. We did not yet install the tow hitch, but as you know, we have them in stock. Gorgeous interior. Absolutely perfect dash, mileage. We upgraded this one, so it is not your typical 250, absolutely not. Huge upgrade in terms of performance and torque. We installed a turbo kit. So we did what I call a mild upgrade into the turbo diesel, which means that we calibrated the pump to 135 horsepower. So that's a huge difference coming from your original 92. It's still the original engine, so that is also why we did a mild upgrade to the turbo diesel. And another one upgrade, which is also a huge difference in not only performance but also RPM and a way more relaxed way of driving, is your 5-speed overdrive transmission, which we installed. So now it is a proper 5-speed. Most people call it already a 5-speed, the original one, but it is not. It's a 4-speed with an extra low, which you only use when you go off-road. And you still can do that in this one because it still exists. So in terms of performance and roadability, huge upgrade. It really benefits from these upgrades. It's a totally different vehicle as your original 250. You cannot compare the two. We also upgraded a larger tire size, which we could do because of the turbo upgrade and the 5-speed. Absolutely gorgeous underneath as well. As said before, no rust, always wax treated, original engine. As said before, upgraded to the turbo diesel with mostly original components. A complete overhaul, mechanical pump, no electronics. As you know, we absolutely hate electronics. So gorgeous engine, it was absolutely perfect. So beside of the upgrades of the 5-speed overdrive transmission, the turbo, it's a fairly original vehicle, remaining in a super nice condition after more than 25 years. You can tilt the front seats forward, both of them, to give access to your rear seats. We only added the snorkel and the light grills. The rest is all original. So if you have any questions about this 1992 upgraded 250, then please do let me know. Email info@g-mercedes.com. My phone number is 714-417-7320. Thank you for watching. See you next time. I appreciate it. Bye bye.